If you are in crypto, you must know about the use of digital assets in payments. It is the most successful use case to date, which has the longest proven history so far. In my opinion, yes, CeFi, which is centralized finance, and TradFi, which is traditional finance, and DeFi, which is decentralized finance, are coming along, as well as gaming and music with digital assets. But hear me out here, because the Asian Pacific region has grown to dominate the digital banking sector. 20% of the 250 digital banks worldwide are in this region, according to Ripple's Insight March 2022. Smartphone adoption, yeah, it's one of the reasons why this region is so hot. It can enable these new apps that provide instant payments. In this video, I'm focusing on 3 digital assets. This is XRP, VELO, and WTK. XRP is, of course, being utilized by Ripple. VELO, in this case, is on the Stellar network, and WTK is on the XinFin network, but they have a brand new partner, Algorand. Makes for some very interesting observation. They're not the only ones. We even have JP Morgan coin in this part of the global space. But as a retail investor, you need to keep up, so we will briefly look at what is going on as of late with XRP, VELO, and WTK. The first 2 clips are David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple. He's on the Thinking Crypto channel with Tony. And David expects to have some big movements and more announcements on the front of ODL, which is on-demand liquidity. That uses the digital asset XRP as a bridge currency because this is a global market in the APAC region, which is a focus for growth. Have a listen.
And the transaction volume more than doubled in 2021, in particular in the APAC region, which is one of the largest contributors of ODL volume. These are areas that are experiencing rapid growth, and so more than doubling. The blockchain stuff works. XRP works, Bitcoin works, Ethereum works. Those are not the hard parts of making this work. The hard part is delivering the money to the recipient, and so those corridors are critical. And I think you're going to see some announcements and big movements on this front in those global markets that are right at the focus of growth.
Ripple has most definitely been leading the way and is quite active with ODL in this part of the world, especially in the Philippines. They have multiple partners, SBI Japan, Tranglo from Malaysia, Azimo from the Netherlands, people from the Middle East, just to name a few, and iRemit, located in Manila. iRemit is not loyal to only Ripple. They, like Siam Commercial Bank, also partnered to tap into the cross-border payments using blockchain with VELO, a digital token that is really starting to get aggressive. This was announced on April 4th, and I want you to watch a video that's just about 60 seconds long that explains how the VELO token is utilized.
Have you ever tried to send money internationally? How could an industry worth over 700 billion US dollars be so fragmented, expensive, and slow? Introducing the VELO network. We are disrupting the international remittance market by enabling worldwide settlement. Our protocol enables trustless direct transfers using digital credits pegged one-to-one with any fiat currency. Here's how it works. Businesses become VELO trusted partners by completing a rigorous vetting process. Once approved, they can issue digital credits corresponding to any fiat deposit. This allows trusted partners to operate in countries where they don't have bank accounts or fiat currency deposits. VELO Labs isn't trying to replace the existing financial system. Rather, we are working with the existing stakeholders to improve what's already there. Leading the charge is the CP Group, one of the largest conglomerates in the world, and VELO Labs' biggest investor. We are also supported by world-class partners. VELO Lab simplifies international remittance by creating a bridge asset connecting the physical and digital worlds.
So VELO came across my radar when one of the Ripple APAC directors moved over to this project. So I've been paying attention for quite some time. It's nice to see that the crypto couple today is also taking a look. It has a $73 million market cap, and all the digital credits are fully collateralized one-to-one by the VELO token. It's had an all-time high of $2.06. It's currently 97% down, trading today at 0.06, and they like the Fibonacci's. You should know that Jed McCaleb is an advisor to this project. It has a tremendous amount of capital. So if you are paying attention to digital assets that are used for payments, this is one you can't ignore. So the next digital asset is WTK. It's powered by Wadzpay, and this is on the XinFin network. The CEO, oh man, he's a fighter. He's been on the channel twice, and his team is growing big time. Most notable, for the XRP holders especially, the former Ripple Southeast Asian director Calvin Lee has joined them. He did so in late March and said that he joined Wadzpay because it offers a complete digital payment experience that covers business to consumer that no other company offers. Ripple focuses on cross-border business to business. MasterCard and Visa are predominantly business to consumer. And with Wadzpay blockchain ecosystem, it's a perfect marriage of digital payment services built around a payment agnostic distributed ledger technology framework. Now, what's really interesting is just a couple of days ago, they announced a new partner.
We are very excited to announce our partnership with Algorand. The Algorand technology is very well suited to the needs of Wadzpay and its customers. We are a payments-focused company with primary focus on CBDC issuance, acquiring, and remittance, and we believe that's where, with Algorand, we can really make a difference. The way the technology is structured and the product propositions and the enhancement in products that we can do together. This has been a lot of work to get us to this point, and I'd like to thank both teams, especially from the Wadzpay team, Malcolm, Stas, Khalid, Kelvin, and also from the Algorand team, Juliana, Steve, and others who worked tirelessly on this partnership. We look forward to bringing this partnership soon to the markets. We have identified a few good markets and good clients already in markets such as Thailand, Philippines, Bahrain, and in the Middle East. So, yeah, we're really excited and looking forward. And I'd like to thank all of you as well for the support that you've given to us.
The Algorand blockchain will be integrated, leveraging them for remittances in corridors like Asia and Africa. And WTK trading today at 26 cents is up 10%. It will have a bridge that will make it operable across ERC20, the Binance Smart Chain, XDC, and now Algorand. I hope you enjoyed that short focus on digital assets and payments. Until the next time, do take care. Sayonara for now. Bye-bye.